160 million years ago, a primordial asteroid named Baptistina, nearly 160 kilometers in diameter, was shattered when it collided with another unnamed asteroid about 55 kilometers wide. This catastrophic impact produced hundreds of asteroid fragments, some of which eventually entered Earth's orbit. Then approximately 66 million years ago, one of these massive fragments, about 10 kilometers in diameter, hurtled toward Earth at 20 kilometers per second. At this time, Earth was dominated by dinosaurs, and these gigantic creatures could only watch helplessly as this super meteorite raced toward their home. As the asteroid entered Earth's atmosphere, its high-speed friction with the air not only heated its surface to extreme temperatures, but also ionized the surrounding atmosphere. As it continued descending, the rapidly falling asteroid formed a gigantic fireball that emitted intense light. This fireball was created as the asteroid's surface began burning from the extreme heat. The asteroid approached Earth at astonishing speed and ultimately struck near what is now Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. Quetzalcoatlus was instantly killed by the shockwave. The massive asteroid violently impacted the sea near the ancient continent of Laurasia, which encompassed what is now North America. The force of the impact was equivalent to 100 trillion tons of TNT, 1 billion times more powerful than the Hiroshima atomic bomb. This violent collision released unimaginable energy, ejecting approximately 10 trillion tons of crustal material into the atmosphere. These ejected fragments later rained back down to Earth like precipitation. Dinosaurs near the impact site met a tragic fate. The superheated shockwave instantly vaporized them, leaving no chance to react or escape. Simultaneously, the asteroid impact triggered estimated 100-meter-high mega tsunamis that rapidly advanced inland with devastating force, sweeping across the world's oceans. Tsunamis of this scale could not only inundate vast coastal regions, but also penetrate deep inland, causing catastrophic damage to the ecosystem at that time. Such natural disasters dramatically altered Earth's surface topography and had long-term effects on the distribution and evolutionary trajectories of surviving species. Even worse, the destructive effects of the asteroid impact quickly spread globally. This event caused mass extinctions of countless terrestrial and marine species. The entire atmosphere was heated to extreme temperatures, triggering massive wildfires worldwide. These fires not only worsened environmental degradation, but also released vast amounts of smoke and toxic gases that further blocked sunlight, causing global temperatures to plummet. This chain of catastrophic changes delivered an unprecedented blow to ecosystems. Giant dinosaurs desperately fled the disaster's epicenter. Herds of Portosaurus began a mass exodus. In the pitch-black environment, they searched desperately for any chance of survival. Caves and cliff walls seemed their best possible refuge. Some juvenile Portosaurus, benefiting from their smaller size, managed to squeeze inside and find temporary safety. However, the gigantic adults, as tall as 6-story buildings, couldn't enter such shelters. Forced to continue struggling for survival amid the disaster, these massive creatures faced the relentless onslaught of flames and toxic smoke. Their enormous size became their greatest liability, while the airborne soot and toxic gases threatened their health. Although the two juveniles had found shelter in the cave, whether they could locate enough food and water while avoiding other dangers remained uncertain. This global catastrophe tested every species' adaptability while painting a challenging picture for Earth's future. Nevertheless, life always finds a way in the most unexpected places. Perhaps these two young dinosaurs might yet discover a slim chance of survival in this desperate situation.